Hi guys, since I wasn't able to show you this in class on Monday because the projector was down, I wanted to make a quick video to help you get rolling on your first source report assignment. So here I am in EasyBib.com, which I mentioned in class is going to be required for you to make your MLA citations. I want to apologize ahead of time. This is a free tool, which is great, but you don't always, you get what you pay for. So since it's free, we are forced to sort of suffer through some of these ads over here on the side and the occasional Kim Kardashian pop-up. Not dangerous for a computer, but just annoying. So if I start screaming in the video, it's because I'm annoyed by the pop-ups. Okay, so you're going to have EasyBib.com, and then over here I'm using a NetLibrary example for this video, but you might be finding a book in SnapWeb or NetLibrary per the assignment instructions, whichever makes you happier. Keep in mind, or I guess I should let you know that I'm using Fast Food Nation as my example in this video, but you can't use it in your source report because Fast Food Nation is a required book in your English class. This is just an example. So you're going to find your own book in NetLibrary or SnapWeb, different from Fast Food Nation or Omnivore's Dilemma, related to your research topic, and then you're going to cite that source in MLA, and you're going to annotate the source per the source report instructions. So read those. The rest of this video assumes that you've already done the Unit 1 and 2 lectures in LR10 and that you kind of know how to function in either SnapWeb or NetLibrary. Okay? So here's my example. Over here on the left-hand side, there is a tab called E-Content Details, and that's where all the information you're going to need for your MLA citation sits. We've got our title here, we've got our author here, and then we've got the publication information. The publisher is Houghton Mifflin Trade and Reference, published in 2001. In Boston. Okay, so we're going to take that information. I'm just going to copy the title here, and we're going to paste that information into EasyBib. So we're here in EasyBib, citing a book, and I'm going to go into manual entry to cite the book. In this example, I'm just going to say that we're citing the whole book. You might actually be citing just a chapter or a section of the book, so make sure you use that drop down where appropriate. So the author is Eric Schlosser. I hope I'm spelling this right. And then, because we got the book out of NetLibrary, we need to cite the database it came out of. If you were using a print book that you found in SnapWeb, then you don't need to cite SnapWeb. It's not really a database that lets you read the whole book online like NetLibrary. So if you're using SnapWeb, you would just use this set of buttons down here for a print book. But we're using an ebook, so we got it out of a database. We've got to cite the database. Close this little window. Okay, so the title of the book goes here. There's no volume or edition. The publisher was Houghton Mifflin Trade and Reference in Boston 2001. Okay. And the database is NetLibrary. The date accessed, I'm going to put today's date, the 15th of June 2001, and you don't need to put the URL in for this particular database, okay? So we're going to hit Create Citation, and here is a correctly formatted MLA citation. Notice it's last name, comma, first name, the title of the book is italicized, you've got the place, the location that it was published, 2 dots, Houghton Mifflin Trade and Reference, and the publication date 2001. Then NetLibrary, the database, italicized. It's a web-based book, and this is the date you accessed it. MLA likes you to go day, month, and year. Notice also that it's double-spaced, and there's a hanging indent, okay? So you can either copy and paste this into your Word document and then annotate the source per the source report instructions, or you can save this as a Word document and then work from that. Either way is fine. Just make sure you clean it up, because anytime you let the computer generate a Word document for you, it might mess up the formatting. So just eyeball it and make sure it looks clean and correct. Once you're done completing all the requirements of the source report instructions, you'll save the entire document and you'll upload it into the Dropbox of our LR10 classroom so I can grade it. If you have any questions, email me.